students. Find the
Yes, finished? So Fisher, have you finished? Hello.
hello. Okay.
Okay, yes, you can start again, no problem. Let's go.
At one school, there are 900 male students, and 2 out of 5 of the total of students are female students. Find the overall number of students in this school.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So, in this school, there are 900 male students. Male. Do you know the meaning of male? Yes or no? When we say male, we mean boy, all man. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And when we say female, we mean girl, all woman. Is that okay?
Okay.
For example, Wichasin is a male student and Supicha is a female student. Do you understand that? Okay. Now, 2 out of 5 of the total students are females. Find the overall. Overall means altogether, the same as total. Find the total number of students in this school. So this is the question that we have got. So male students, how many male students do we have?
900.
900.
900. Okay. 2 out of 5 of the total number of students are female. Female, we have what fraction?
2 out of 5.
2 out of 5.
2 out of 5. This is the information that we have. We know that male students are 900. We know that female students make a fraction of 2 out of 5 of the total out of 5 of total number of students. Out of 5 of the total. Okay. Now, how can we know the overall number of students? Now, to know the overall number of students, since we know the since we know the number of male students, that it is 900, we must know the fraction of male. The fraction of male. What is the fraction of male students?
Um, 900 out of 1, right?
No.
I
The fraction. If, for example, the fraction of female is 2 out of 5. So what is the fraction of male? Okay, the fraction of
5,
again.
3 or 5.
Yes, very good. 3 out of 5 is the fraction of male. Female is 2 out of 5. So male will be 5 out of 5, all the same as 1, minus 2 out of 5. And this is 3 out of 5. Is that okay, all of you?
Okay.
Yes, we cannot know the total number of students if we don't know the fraction of male, because we only have the number of male students. Now that we are sure that this is the fraction of male students and this is the number of male students, so everything is easy. We can know the total number of students in this school. So we say that the total number is the same as the overall. The overall all total number of students will be, now I will use the number of male and the fraction of male. So this means that I simply have to get 900 divided by 3 out of 5. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes, I cannot get 900 divided by 2 out of 5 because 900 is the number of male, 2 out of 5 is the fraction of female. So I cannot do that. I must use the number of male and the fraction of male. Is that okay?
Okay.
So in the next step, what do we have? Yes?
900
900
times
times 5 out of 3.
5 out of 3. Very good. So then what is our answer? What is
is
it?
1,000
1,500.
1,500, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You divide 3 by 3 and 9 by 3, then and 2 zeros, right? And 3 times 5 is 15 and 2 zeros. Yes, that's very good. So the total number of students is 1,500 students. Very good. Do you understand that, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. So in this number, 1,500, we have both male and female. And yet we know that the number of male is 900. So let me ask you a question. What is the number of female students? Who can tell me the number of female students?
600 students.
Wow, wow, wow. How did you get 600? Tell me.
1,500 minus 9.
I like that. I like that. Wichasin and Supicha, you are excellent students. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, you are very, very good. What about others? Did you understand? Jirapat, are you okay? Jirapat, are you okay? Other students are quiet. I don't know if you really understand. Can teacher, are you okay? Tana, where are you? Parita, can you hear me? Pim Chanok, can you hear me? Oh my God. So teacher, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, maybe, I don't know, maybe some other students, they have problem with their speakers or their internet. Okay. So let's look at another question. Let's have example number 8. Okay, who can read for us?
Me.
Okay, please go ahead.
In a motorcycle race of a distance of 147 kilometers, swimmers can ride 1 out of 3 of the total distance in the first hour. In the second hour, he can ride 10 out of 7 of the distance he rode in the first hour. By the remaining distance he has to ride before he reaches the final line.
Wow, very good. Very good. I like the way how you read with confidence. I like that. Thank you, Wichasin. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you know a motorcycle race? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. In a motorcycle race, different people wait a minute, I have a problem. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So different motorcyclists are riding at a very high speed to make sure that they win the race. But now this time, they were riding for 147 kilometers. This is the distance that they have got to finish. Now here comes one of the cyclists called Samet. So Samet is also among the people riding. He can ride 1 out of 3 of the total distance. What is the total distance, students? What is the total distance? The total distance is 147 kilometers, okay? So, Samet can ride 1 out of 3 of the total distance in the first hour. Let us first stop here and we check that. So, in the first hour, Samet can ride 1 out of 3 of the total distance. What is the total distance, student? Hello.
The
total distance is?
I can twist.
In the first hour, Samet can ride 1 out of 3 of the total distance. So 1 out of 3 of the total distance. The total distance is
147.
yes. Very good, Navapon. 147. But do you remember the meaning of the word of? What does of mean? Plus, minus, times, divided by. What does it mean?
Mean hi.
It means times. Okay, so this means that in the first hour, Samet can write 1 out of 3 times 147. What do we get? Let's see how many kilometers he can write in the first hour. 3 by 3, we get 1. 14 divided by 3, we get 4, remainder 2. Then 27 divided by 3, we get 9, right? Is it okay?
Okay.
So in the first hour, he can write 49 kilometers. Okay. Let's continue reading. In the second hour, let's see what he can write in the second hour. In the second hour, he can write 10 out of 7 of the distance he rode in the first hour. 10 out of 7 of the distance he rode in the first hour. So we get 10 out of 7 of what number?
49.
49.
Very good, very good. 10 out of 7 of 49, because in the first hour, he rode 49 kilometers. So this means that we have 10 out of 7 times 49. How many kilometers are those? Yes, please.
70.
70 kilometers. Yes, because by 7 we get 149, by 7 we get 7. 7 times 10 is 70. All right. So let's continue reading. Find the remaining distance he has to ride before he reaches the final line. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Yes. How many kilometers is he supposed to cover to complete the whole journey? How can we do that? Remaining distance. Remaining distance. How can we get the remaining distance? So teacher, how can we get the remaining distance?
I don't sure.
Oh,
But
remaining, it means that, for example, if I have 1,000 baht, I buy, let's say, a dress for 600 baht. how much money am I remaining with? Yes?
Okay.
It means that if I have 1,000, I buy a dress for 600 baht, it means that I remain with 400 baht. So, Samet, in the first hour, he covered 49 kilometers. In the second hour, he covered 70 kilometers. But the total journey is 147 kilometers. So how many kilometers is he remaining with to finish 147 kilometers? You understand that?
A little bit.
Okay. Now, total is 147. 147 kilometers. In the first hour, he finished 49 kilometers, minus 49. In the second hour, he finished 70 kilometers, minus 70. You understand? So 147 minus 49, what do we have? 147 minus 49. What do we have? 17 minus 9. That is 8, right? 13 minus 4. What is that?
9.
9. Okay. Then 98 minus 70. What do we have?
28.
28.
28. So this means that he has 28 kilometers to cover. You understand that?
Yes.
Yes. So it means that he is remaining with a distance of 28 kilometers before he reaches the final line. All right. So we are going to look at the next example. Okay, who can read for us? Anyone who can read?
Me,
Okay, what is your name?
Tana.
Oh, Tana, you are back. Okay, let's go.
Supanika read so 480 page book. On the first day, she read 1 hour 3 of in five book. On the second day, she read 3 hour 8 of the remaining page. Find how many remaining pages she has.
Okay. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Tana, for reading for us. You are a very, very, very good student. There is something that I want you to pay attention to. This word is so challenging that when it is in present tense, we read it as read. But also, when it is in past tense, we read it as read. The spelling is the same, but the pronunciation is different. Present tense, read. Past tense, read. Red like red color, but not red. You understand that? So,
Yes.
when you are reading and it is in past tense, something that has been finished already, you are going to read it as read, not read. So we can say, Supanika read a 480-page book. On the first day, she read 1 out of 3 of the entire book. On the second day, she read 3 out of 8 of the remaining pages. Find out how many remaining pages she has yet to read. Okay. Did you understand this question? Yes? You can see that the total number of pages in the book, total number of pages is 480. Okay. On the first day, she read 1 out of 3 of the entire book. The entire book is 480 pages, so it is 1 out of 3 of 480. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes. So remember, of means times. So it means that it is 1 out of 3 times 480. Let's divide. What do we get? By 3, 1. 480 divided by 3, we check 4 by 3, we get 1, remainder 1. 18 divided by 3, we get 6. And 1 0, we put it here. So we get 160, right? So it means that on the first day, she read 160 pages. Okay. Now, on the second day, on the second day, she read 3 out of 8 of the remaining pages. How many pages are remaining? Remember, the total is 480. She read 160 on the first day. How many pages are remaining?
116.
No. The total is 480. She read 160. How many are remaining? We get, to get the remaining pages, we get 480 minus 160. What is that?
320.
Yes. So after reading 160 pages on the first day, she remained with 320 pages. Now, on a day number 2, she read 3 out of 8 of the remaining pages, which is 320. Okay?
Okay.
Remember, of means times. So let's get the answer. What will be that? 8 by 8, 1. 32 divided by 8, we get 4, right? Then 3 times 40, we get
120.
120 pages. Okay, now find out how many remaining pages she has yet to read. Okay, how many are remaining pages at this stage? Yes? So, first day, she read 160 and she remained with 320. Second day, she read 120 and she remained with how many? 320 minus 120. What is the answer? Yes?
200.
200 pages. So this means that she's remaining with 200 pages to read. Therefore, she is remaining with 200 pages to read. Okay. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, if you have a question, please, you can ask.